This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's review, we're going to look at this Sihanm buffet cabinet with storage. It's got 3 doors and 1 drawer. Got it staged up here. I do want to show you the assembly process overall in a time lapse. Show everything without stuff in it. A couple of tips to make everything look a little bit nicer for you. And then we'll stage everything up just like you see here now. Let's go ahead and get started with the assembly process. So here is the finished product. Overall, easy installation. Didn't really have too much difficulty. A couple of flubs on my part with the drawer. Now, I'll come back here and show you this because you'll probably, I don't know if I just misread it on the instructions, but if we go into the drawer here, it has these pre-done holes in it, and the front hole here for the bracket actually goes above the roller instead of over here like I had it. So that was the mistake that I made, and then silly me also tried to drill the anchors and the rollers on the top of the drawer instead of on the bottom where the holes were because it didn't fit because of my error. The other thing is on the back side, there's that part E. It's a little plastic piece that connects the 2 backing boards back there. I forgot to put that part in. I just had to take a few screws out, slide that in. So apart from that, it was very easy to put together, and we'll give an inside look here. Plenty, it's about a foot deep or so there's plenty of room. It's not going to take up a ton of room in your house, which is good, and you can store a lot of things. So what I'm going to do is just get a lot of things in here just to show you how much it can store, and then we will finish everything up. So there's everything staged up. A couple plants on top, a little table lamp, and then every game under the sun inside the little buffet here. Obviously you can put plates and dinnerware and things along those lines if you are using this as like a little buffet. This is also great if you want to store all your games in like a living room, hiding it away. You don't have any room in the closet. Works out great. Family game night, just pop this open and you got a game. We'll look closer to this. One thing I do want to mention is getting these doors correct. You want to screw in just the back screws, get them right, close the doors, and see if you're even. We're still a little off here on mine, but And then you adjust these screws in order for it to not bind up, like for the cabinet door not to bind up. The drawer is fairly easy. It's just kind of shallow, so don't be pulling it out like crazy. Same thing with this door right here. Overall, very easy. Looks really nice, and got that modern black and then the little wood slat appearance there. Looking pretty sharp. So overall, this is a step above, say like college grade furniture, things along those lines. You can think of it kind of in the IKEA form. A little bit of assembly, took a little while. Overall, it's fairly easy, minimal tools. I did use an impact driver to expedite the process of getting some of the screws in, and some of the little, I guess you would call them, they're not the dowels, but the ones that have the little black spacers on them that you slide the top portions down and take them little nuts and screw them to lock into place. That worked out really well. And the feet, I think you can screw the feet out and in a little bit just to get them properly adjusted as well. So again, looks really good on this marble accent wall here in our den. Probably going to look good in your home as well whenever you put it up. And with the size, it's relatively small. It's not going to take up a bunch of space. However, it will put in a bunch of stuff in there, like all those games, and it will hopefully work well for you. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Again, you can potentially buy warranties on this product as well if they're available. And I think that the cabinet and buffet overall looks good. Everything's made of particle board, almost like all just cheap furniture nowadays, but unless you go to the store. But this right here will work just fine. As long as you don't get water and stuff on it, it should last you a good little while. Thanks again for watching this product review. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.